Could investing in artificial intelligence be your ticket to millionaire status in the coming years? That's the electrifying question we're diving into today, because the AI revolution isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. We're not just talking about some abstract future tech, we're talking about tangible, investable opportunities that are right in front of us. Today, I'm going to break down 3 specific companies that are not just participating in this AI boom, but are absolutely fundamental to its existence and growth. Think about it, this is like the early days of the internet, and fortunes are going to be made. We're going to look at a company that is an undeniable leader in the specialized high-performance chips that are essentially the brains behind today's most advanced AI systems. Then we'll explore a global pioneer in the intricate art of semiconductor manufacturing, a company whose foundries are the bedrock upon which much of the tech world is built. And finally, we'll uncover a quiet giant, a company with an almost unbelievable monopolistic grip on a critical piece of technology that makes the production of all these advanced chips even possible. These aren't just random picks, these are strategically positioned players. Understanding these companies and their roles could be one of the most important financial insights you gain this year. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. It's packed with information that could genuinely change your financial future. And hey, while you're here, do me a quick favor, absolutely smash that like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people. Share the video with anyone you think needs to hear this, and definitely leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the first company, and honestly, if you've been paying even a little bit of attention to the AI space, this name is probably already on your radar. I'm talking about Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. These guys are the current heavyweight champion in AI hardware. Their GPUs are the gold standard. Originally designed for rendering video game graphics, Nvidia dominated that market. But then, something incredible happened. Researchers found that GPUs were great for AI and machine learning. This was a game changer, and Nvidia capitalized on it. They saw the potential early and pivoted, investing heavily in developing GPUs and creating a software ecosystem for AI. This foresight has given them a monumental lead in AI hardware. Large language models and AI image generators often run on Nvidia GPUs. Data centers are clamoring for Nvidia's latest chips. It's not just about the hardware. Nvidia's true advantage is its software ecosystem, primarily CUDA. CUDA allows developers to utilize Nvidia GPUs for general-purpose processing. This ecosystem has a massive community of developers. Switching to a competitor's hardware means learning a new software stack. This stickiness is incredibly valuable for Nvidia. The demand for their AI chips has sent Nvidia's revenues soaring. Their data center segment has become their primary revenue driver. This shift underscores how central AI is to Nvidia's future. Under CEO Jensen Huang, Nvidia continues to innovate. They're not just a chip company anymore, they're an AI platform company. Their technology is used in autonomous driving and enterprise AI solutions. Nvidia's lead, particularly with CUDA, is substantial. Nvidia currently holds a jaw-dropping market cap of $3.30 trillion. A testament to its explosive growth and central role in powering the AI revolution. In 2024 alone, the company generated a staggering $130.5 billion in revenue, delivering a net income of $72.88 billion. Its earnings per share came in at $3.14, with a price-to-earnings ratio of 43.04, reflecting strong investor demand and confidence. Although Nvidia offers a modest dividend yield of just 0.03%, its current share price of $135.13 still trades at nearly 40% below its estimated fair value of $188.53. That discount could signal significant upside potential, especially if AI adoption continues at its current pace. The global demand for AI capabilities is just beginning. Nvidia is the primary provider of computational power for AI applications. Their brand recognition in the AI space is unparalleled. Next up, let's talk about a company that is, in many ways, the unsung hero behind the entire tech industry, and especially critical for the AI boom. I'm talking about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, better known as TSMC, ticker symbol TSM. These guys are the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry, and their importance cannot be overstated. What does a foundry do, you ask? Well, companies like Nvidia, Apple, AMD, Qualcomm, many of the tech giants you know, design their own chips. But designing a chip and actually it are two vastly different, incredibly complex processes. Most of these fabulous companies don't have their own manufacturing plants or fabs. They outsource the manufacturing to specialists, and TSMC is the undisputed leader in this field. TSMC doesn't design its own branded chips. Its business model is to manufacture chips for other companies. This focus has allowed them to achieve a level of manufacturing excellence and technological advancement that is simply unmatched. They are pioneers in developing and implementing the most advanced process nodes, which essentially means they can cram more transistors onto a chip, making them faster, more powerful, and more energy efficient. The chips that power your iPhone, the processors in your high-end gaming PC, and critically, the advanced AI GPUs from Nvidia, a huge portion of these are manufactured by TSMC. They are a linchpin in the global technology supply chain. Without TSMC, the pace of innovation in the tech world would slow dramatically. Their expertise in leading-edge manufacturing processes like 5 nanometer, 3 nanometer, and soon even more advanced nodes gives their customers a significant competitive advantage. Companies flock to TSMC because they know they can get the best possible performance and efficiency for their chip designs. This is especially crucial for AI chips, which demand incredible density and power. Think about the capital investment required to build and operate these advanced semiconductor fabs. We're talking tens of billions of dollars for a single facility filled with some of the most complex machinery ever created. This creates an enormous barrier to entry, which is why there are very few companies in the world that can compete at TSMC's level, especially on the most advanced nodes. Their customer list reads like a who's who of the tech industry. This diverse customer base gives them stability and a broad view of where the entire industry is heading. They work closely with their clients, often years in advance, to prepare for new chip generations, making them an integral part of the innovation cycle. Now, being based in Taiwan, there are, of course, geopolitical considerations that investors need to be aware of. The relationship between Taiwan and mainland China is a complex and often tense one, and this does introduce a level of risk. However, TSMC is also actively diversifying its manufacturing footprint, with new fabs being built or planned in places like the United States and Japan, partly to mitigate these risks. Despite these geopolitical concerns, TSMC's technological supremacy and its critical role in the global economy make it an incredibly strategic asset. Many argue that its importance provides a sort of silicon shield for Taiwan, as any disruption to TSMC's operations would have catastrophic consequences for the global tech industry and economies worldwide. For AI specifically, TSMC's role is absolutely vital. As AI models become larger and more complex, the demand for more powerful and efficient chips will only grow. TSMC is at the forefront of manufacturing these next-generation AI accelerators, working hand-in-hand with designers like Nvidia to bring their most ambitious projects to life. The company's commitment to research and development is immense. They consistently invest billions of dollars each year to stay ahead of the curve in manufacturing technology. This relentless pursuit of innovation is what allows them to maintain their lead over competitors like Samsung Foundry and Intel Foundry Services. In 2024, TSMC reported revenues of 2.89 trillion new Taiwan dollars, along with a net income of 1.17 trillion new Taiwan dollars. With earnings per share at 50.50 new Taiwan dollars and a price-to-earnings ratio of 18.73, the company presents a more moderate valuation compared to many of its US-based peers. TSMC also stands out with a solid dividend yield of 4.89%. Currently trading at $193.32, the stock sits approximately 11.5% below its fair value estimate of $215.67, making it an attractive opportunity for long-term investors seeking both growth potential and consistent income. Their financial performance has been consistently strong, driven by the ever-increasing demand for advanced semiconductors across all sectors, from smartphones and PCs to high-performance computing, automotive, and of course AI. Now, for our third company, we're diving deeper into the semiconductor supply chain, to a company many have never heard of, but is one of the most important technology companies in the world. I'm talking about ASML, ticker symbol ASML. This Dutch company has a near-monopolistic grip on a critical technology essential for manufacturing advanced semiconductor chips. ASML designs and manufactures lithography systems. Lithography is the process of printing tiny patterns onto silicon wafers. These patterns define the transistors and circuits that make up a microchip. The smaller and more precise the patterns, the more transistors fit on a chip, making it more powerful and efficient. ASML is the world's leading supplier of lithography systems and the only company producing extreme ultraviolet EUV lithography machines. EUV technology allows chipmakers like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel to produce chips with features measured in nanometers. Without ASML's EUV machines, the latest advanced chips couldn't be made. Think about that for a second. A single company holds the key to the most advanced semiconductor manufacturing process. This gives ASML an incredible strategic position, Their customers, the world's biggest chip makers, often wait years for these EUV machines which cost hundreds of millions of dollars each. The complexity of these EUV systems is astounding. They involve powerful lasers, ultra-precise optics, and a vacuum environment. The R&D for EUV lithography took decades and billions of dollars, involving a global consortium with ASML at the helm. This immense R&D investment creates a barrier to entry for competitors. Companies like Nikon and Canon haven't developed viable EUV systems. This leaves ASML in a powerful monopoly position for this critical technology. When Nvidia designs powerful AI chips and TSMC manufactures them, it's ASML's technology that enables TSMC to etch those fine designs onto silicon. ASML is a critical enabler for the enablers. Their impact is felt in every advanced electronic device you use. The demand for ASML's EUV machines is tied to the demand for advanced semiconductors. As AI, 5G, and high-performance computing grow, the need for powerful chips will drive further investment in EUV lithography. This gives ASML a strong growth trajectory. Their business model involves selling, servicing, and upgrading these machines. This creates a recurring revenue stream and long-term customer relationships. Chip makers are highly reliant on ASML for ongoing support and innovation. The geopolitical aspect is also interesting. ASML's technology is so critical that governments, particularly the US, have restricted the sale of EUV machines to certain countries, notably China. This highlights the strategic importance of ASML's technology in global tech competition. From an investment perspective, ASML represents a unique way to play the semiconductor growth story. You're betting on the company that provides essential tools for all leading-edge chip makers. It's like selling the pickaxes and shovels during a gold rush, but they're the only ones selling the most advanced pickaxes. In 2024, ASML posted $28.26 billion in revenue and $7.57 billion in net income, resulting in earnings per share of $22.13. Its PE ratio sits at 33.29 and it offers a dividend yield of 0.89%. At a current share price of $736.77, ASML is trading nearly 36% below its fair value target of $1,000. That gap could represent a strong entry point, particularly for investors betting on the long-term future of advanced chip manufacturing. Their financial performance reflects the strong demand for their systems. They have a significant backlog of orders, providing good visibility into future revenues. As they develop more advanced lithography technologies like high-NA EUV, they extend their technological leadership. High-NA EUV promises even more precise chip patterns and more powerful chips. ASML is the only company capable of delivering this next-generation technology, solidifying their long-term prospects. Think about the ecosystem ASML has built. They work with hundreds of specialized suppliers for the components in their machines. So there you have it, 3 absolute powerhouses, Nvidia, TSMC, and ASML, each playing a critical and distinct role in the AI revolution. These aren't just speculative bets, these are companies with solid fundamentals, incredible technology, and dominant market positions in their respective niches. Together, these companies form the backbone of modern computing, and each offers a unique value proposition, whether it's growth, dividends, or a blend of both. The potential for growth driven by AI is truly staggering, and these companies are at the forefront. Of course, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. What are your thoughts? Which of these companies excites you the most, or are there other AI-related stocks you think have massive potential? Let me know in the comments below. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments, no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And hey, if you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.